Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's another update with our home. So as we enter in, we got a message say that they already started installation, and today's Wednesday, so we say we're gonna come over and take a look at it today before they start putting up drywall, in case they finish it and start putting up drywall before the end of the week, so we can get this footage. So as we notice, as we enter into the home, they already put in the window right here. The window is in, and as you can see from the garage right here, you can see that they already put in the insulation. But I think on Monday when we passed by, no insulation was there. So after we got the information that insulation was up on Monday afternoon, we say we're going to stop by. So I remember in the last video I told you guys we had inspection. The inspection wasn't passed at that time, but I think it's passed now. But I remember right here they're saying that the block needs fixing, and you can see right here the block is loose right there, so they have to go back and fix that. And as we enter into the garage, we see that they already started to connect the wires, collecting wires and adding all the insulation in the roof. So all the insulation is, some of the insulation is here, and this is what it's looking like. They have all his padded up with the insulation before they add the drywall. So this is how it's looking. And this is coming into the garage. So we'll come in the garage and we come to the laundry. So they have not done everything inside as yet. They have the concrete wall wrapped in this foil. So this is what it is. Here's in the foyer area. This is the foyer. So they have all of this is wrapped. So that is what they are working on this week. And as I told you, I'm not sure if I told you in the other video, they was gonna put doors here, and we never wanted the doors, but they said we wasn't able to change the plan. But God have to work it out that we're not having doors. So thank God no doors is going here, so it will be an open concept, because if it closed down, if you could put in the doors, it will have to be closed up. But I like the more open concept here. So we're not having doors here for our dining room. So this is how it is, and let us go in from the foyer. Here we have not seen our pendant lights in as yet, so we need to make note of that and ask about them, because I remember this was approved for us to get the pendant light in, so that has not done as yet. So this is what it's looking like. And back over to the fireplace. Remember I told you guys that we asked that the fireplace to enlarge at least 2 feet, and we were turned down for reason being that it was not on the plan. But my husband, eventually when we move it, we'll try and get it done ourselves, because I think if we can come out at least 2 feet. I think it's 5 feet now, and our TV is like a 70-inch or something like that. So the TV will be hanging off, which we wanted them to just extend it, and in my home said no, it cannot be done. So we have to do that ourselves when we move in. And if you could have come out, because I think it's a 5x2 with a 48-inch TV fireplace. So they'll run the wires and we'll sort it out. My husband is an electrician, amazing electrician, so he'll get that done for us. So they already moved the plugs. They already moved the plugs. So keep this behind fireplace. This is what it's looking like. And then the wrap, everything is wrapped. This is the downstairs bathroom. It is wrapped. And then we have here the guest bedroom. So this is the guest bedroom, and the guest will have its oversized shower, walk-in closet, double sinks. So everything here is wrapped and taped. So this is how it's looking. All here, they have not put anything up as yet in the roof here, so they just put them on the side. So they're on the side, the filling, all the stuff is on the side. Nothing is in this section as yet. So then we'll be going upstairs to see what's going on upstairs. So let's go. So we're upstairs now. The boys' bathroom is out. So this is one of the kids' bedrooms. One kid's bedroom, and this is one of the kids' walk-in closet. So they have put all the stucco they call it. I'm not sure the name, but they have put all on all the walls, around the walls. But so this is the master bedroom. This is the den, and as you can see, the window is in finally. So this is another son's room, or the other kid's room. Who has the best view? Zorian. He has the best view. He has the view over here, and so back, we put up the wire, the AC, and we got the electricals. So the windows are in, and this is the drainage from the AC. So you know every AC will be dripping. So these are the drip section for the AC. This is a window in the bathroom, the guest bathroom here. So guys, so this is our update for this week. It has been a pleasure. Don't forget to like, share and comment below. Let me know what areas are you liking, what are your thoughts of this home building process videos. If you need to see more, let me know. How it is going with MI Homes, I'll have a sit down and we'll be talking about it. But this is it, guys. So this is it. Until next time, I'll see you over. Peace. Love you guys.